Do that again, that was cute. No, because I'm videotaping, they're not going to do it. It's their first time in the big pen. Their first time outside at all was 2 days ago. Oh, there they go. Is that Blackie? Yep, that's Blackie. Not all of them have names yet. You sure? Are they in the bag? On the white rack. Baby chickies. Oh, over there. That's exactly what I'm telling you.
Well, I don't see that little bag here. I thought it was upstairs.
Why is it upstairs? It shouldn't have been upstairs at any point. Hey girls. So you have the yellow one that's now walking away, but what's closest is Leader. Hey, be nice. Blackie's picking on the other one. And that's baby chickies. Might as well go for 2 more.